Welcome back. It's been a month since Hurricane Helene ravaged the southeast, claiming hundreds of lives and wiping out towns and homes. And right now, a Clifton, Virginia man is helping many impacted. DC News Now's Haley Milon spoke to him about his efforts to share resources.
Didn't know, A lot of people died.
Jeff Green anxiously waited for hours to hear from his son Oki in Asheville, North Carolina after Hurricane Helene hit. But he couldn't bear the silence.
I loaded up my truck and got water, got my chainsaws, got my tools, and headed for Asheville.
The trip taking twice as long as it typically does. Green pulling off and removing trees from the roads himself to clear the path ahead, stopping at nothing until he reached Oki.
He's okay. His house was okay. They were just cut off and out of power.
Others weren't nearly as lucky.
Trucks upside down on the corner and people's houses are gone. I just couldn't leave there and come back to my nice house in Clifton and take a hot shower and sleep in my bed knowing, what people were dealing with there.
Green rushed home as his wife rallied the community, filling his truck bed and trailer with essentials. Green turned right back around with a load of hope for North Carolina.
People have just given and given.
He's now on his 5th trip. He has 4 collection sites in Northern Virginia. He says people need propane tanks, waterproof storage bins, baby formula, and medical supplies. Green isn't shutting down his shuttle anytime soon.
We'll just keep doing it until people are good.
Reporting in Fairfax County, Haley Milon, DC News Now.